Today we are going to talk about what is solution. Solution is a homogeneous mixture formed when a solute dissolves in a completely in a solvent. Solute is a substance being dissolved, and solvent is a liquid that dissolves that solute. Okay, the final mixture is called solution. Okay, the substance is sodium chloride, for example. Okay, solvent is water. Okay, if we dissolve solute into the solvent, that will give us solution that is called salt solution. Okay, preparation of solution from the solid. Calculate the required mass. Use the concentration formula if necessary. Mass is equal to concentration into volume. So what is mass? Mass is simply is equal to moles into mr. Step 2, weight the solution. Okay, you can use electronic balance, weighting board, or spatula. Okay, measure the required mass accurately. Okay, transfer the solute, place the solid into the beaker. Okay, add distilled water and small amount add a small amount of distilled water. Stir the glass using glass rod until the solid dissolves. Okay, transfer to the volumetric flask. Okay, pour the solution into the volumetric flask using funnel. Rinse the beaker and funnel with distilled water to transfer any remaining residue. So mark add distilled water until bottom of the manicus reaches the calibration line. Mix thoroughly and stop the flask and invert it several times to ensure solution is uniform. So the equipment and their purpose. Electronic balance to measure mass, spatula to transfer solid, beaker to dissolve the solute, glass rod for stir solution, funnel is used to transfer solution, volumetric flask is used to prepare an accurate volume, wash bottle to add distilled water, pipette is used to measure precise liquid volume. Preparation solution by dilution. Sometimes the concentrated solution is diluted to make weaker solution. Make the required volume of the concentrated solution with the pipette, transfer it into the volume flask, add distilled water until the calibrated mark and stopper and mix well. Okay. Dilute dilution formula C1 V1 is equal to C2 V2. What is C1? Initial concentration. V1 is initial volume. C2 is final concentration and V2 is final volume. For example, to prepare 250 centimeter cube of 0.5 moles per decimeter cube of NaCl solution from 2 moles per decimeter cube of stock solution. First, we will convert this 250 centimeter cube into decimeter cube, that is 0.25 decimeter cube. Step 2 is use C1V1 is equal to C2V2. The C1 is 2, V1 we have to find it, C2 is 0.5, that is a concentration, and volume is 250. So we will solve it. So V1 will become 0.0625, okay, or 62.5 centimeter cube. Measure 62.5 centimeter cube of stock solution and dilute it to 250 centimeter cube. Okay, prepare solution from the mass. Example 2, 500 centimeter cube of 20 gram per decimeter cube of NaCl solution. Okay, convert volume to, first we will convert this into decimeter cube. So that is 0.5. Okay, concentration is mass is equal to concentration into volume. Okay, so 20 into 0.5, that will give us 10 grams. So weigh 10 grams of NaCl and dissolve it in distilled water. Transfer 500 centimeter cube of volumetric flask and mark up to the mark. That's all about it.